Here we have a 2025 Chevy Silverado. It's a Z71 package, the 5.3 V8 engine. We just put some nice custom exhaust tips on the back there. Took the factory outlets off of it. There's little stainless steel bezels on the bumper. I'm sure you've seen a bunch of them. Fills up the hole there, makes it look really nice. We left the little diffuser pipes on there. Didn't take those off. We're trying to keep it from droning so much. Installed a nice Flowmaster Super 44 muffler. Give it a little rumble. The customer doesn't want to wake up the dead people and all that good stuff. Just a nice little mellow tone sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty mellow. Woke it up, that's for sure. Sounds pretty good. Should be just what the customer's looking for.